scan a QR code on your device from any device, iOS device, Android or iOS. This is how you can exactly scan a QR code. So this is a QR code right here, and I want to scan it. Suppose your camera doesn't support this, so how you can do it? So first of all, get into the app drawer and search for Google app, and search the Google app right here, right? This is a minimalist launcher. This is why you are seeing the white background and all. Let's leave this aside. And if you have the updated version of Google app which has this icon of Google Lens, simply tap on this icon, and here tap on search with your camera. Now here just bring the QR code in front of this, and you would start finding the, as you can see, this is a URL. Or you can simply click a picture of this and you would find the Asus link on this. So this is the basically Asus VivoBook card QR code. So if I just click a picture from Google Lens app of it, then the QR code's location or the link would be shown, and this is how you can scan a QR code on your device. So if you tap on this link, you would go to the QR code destined location easily. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found the video helpful to scan a QR code on Android or iOS.